the sequence of harmonics of pipe open at one end and close at other end. Pipe is open at one end and closed at other end. Whenever we are having a pipe closed at one end, pipe closed at one end and open at other end, pipe closed at one end and open at other end, open at other end. In such pipe, only odd harmonics are present, only odd harmonics are present. Means what are the frequencies of harmonics? It may be fundamental frequency n and the harmonics are 3n, 5n, 7n, 9n. These are the frequencies of harmonics. Now the difference between two nearest harmonics, difference between two nearest harmonics. What is the difference between two nearest harmonics? See here, it is 5n minus 3n, or it is 7n minus 5n, or it is 9n minus 7n. Everywhere that difference is found to be 2n. Now read the question. See here, the sequence of harmonics means frequency of harmonics which is taken in sequence. They are 250 Hertz and 350 Hertz. They are 250 Hertz and 350 Hertz. It means 350 minus of 250 is equal to 2n. Therefore, 100 is equal to 2n, or n is equal to 100 divided by 2, or fundamental frequency n is equal to 50 Hertz. Fundamental frequency n is equal to what? 50 Hertz. Now, as n is equal to 50 Hertz and we want to find out the length of that air column. Fundamental frequency of pipe closed at one end. What is the formula for fundamental frequency of pipe closed at one end? Nc, that is equal to n is equal to V divided by 4 times L, and we are interested in finding the length of that air column. See here, the resonating length of air column in its fundamental mode will be, resonating length of air column in its fundamental mode will be given velocity of sound in air as 340 meter per second. So L is equal to V divided by 4 times the fundamental frequency n. What is the value of velocity given? Value of velocity, it was given as 340 meter per second. So it is equal to 340 divided by 4 into, what is the fundamental frequency? We had calculated it as 50. So it is equal to, L is equal to 340 divided by 200, or it is equal to 1.7 meter. 1.7 meter. So length of air column in its fundamental mode is 1.4 meter, 1.7 meter. So out of 4 option B, 1.7 meter is the correct option for this question,